My name is George Eldayrie. I'm a primary care sports medicine physician here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I've been practicing for 4 years. I'm originally from Buffalo, New York, and my family relocated to Florida about 10 years ago. So I'm happy to say that I'm mostly Floridian now. My wife, Carly, and my son, Elias, are here with me in Tampa, and love spending time with them. My patient care philosophy is to treat every patient the way I would want a member of my family to be treated. Part of my job is getting patients back to doing what they love to do, seeing the look on their face when I tell them, okay, you're ready to go. I think what sets Florida Orthopaedic Institute apart from other practices is the ability to take care of patients of all different injuries, all different ages, and all of the specialists that we have. So the types of conditions I generally see are non-operative orthopedic conditions, and those can range from injuries to basically any joint, and from kids to older adults. And I see things that range from injuries that happen during athletic events to elite athletes, joint problems in older adults, concussions, your typical sprains and strains that happen. And I specialize in managing those without doing surgery with non-invasive techniques and with a conservative approach. I'm really excited about being back in Florida and having the opportunity to take care of athletes on the sidelines. It's one of my favorite things to do, part of my job. And I'm so happy that I have the opportunity to do that at Florida Orthopaedic Institute.